He was a Chadian politician and who was president of Chad from 1990 until his death in 2021. He was also head of the ruling Patriotic Salvation Movement. He was of the Bidyat clan of the Jagawa ethnic group. His family. Spouse Hinda Debi Itno. His spouse Hidna was born on 2nd April 1980. Son name Muhammad Debi Itno. General Major Muhammad Itno is the interim president of Chad. With his son. His son name Brahim Debi. Brahim attended the University of Ottawa in Canada, 10 student, and graduated in 2004. Spouse Amina. Spouse Amina. He married in 2012. His daughter. Daughter name Amira. His wife. Wife name Gina Wejuna. An ex-wife of President Idris. His wife Hajja Halim. His son. Son name Adam Debi. His son Jakaria Debi. His family tree. He had an estimated net worth of $50 million. He was born on 18 June 1952. He was born in the village of Berdoba, approximately 190 kilometers from Fada, in northern Chad. After finishing school, he entered the officers' school in Ende, Jemena. He was sent to France for the training, returning to Chad in 1976 with professional pilot certificate. He remained loyal of his army and President Felix even after Chad's central authority crumbled in 1979. He returned from the France in the Feb 1979 and found Chad had become a battleground for many armed groups. He distinguished himself in 1984 by the destroying pro-Libyan force in the eastern Chad. In 1985, Habré sent him to Paris to follow a course at the École de Guerre on his return in 1986. Idris assumed Chad's president in 1991. He had been re-elected every 5 years until his time of his death. After 3 months of the provisional government, on 18 Feb 1991, a charter was approved for the Chad with the Deby as a president. He won election in 1996 and 2001, and after term limits were eliminated, he won again in 2006, 2011, 2016 and 2021. He added Itno to his surname in Jan 2006. He was a graduate of Muammar Gaddafi's World Revolution Center. His autograph, his style, his work, his watch, his area,